Most Flybridge yachts in the 80-foot class fight for interior volume. The Sunseeker 90 Ocean starts with 20% more of it, built by Sunseeker in Poole, England, established 1969. Shaft-driven, built to order with an upright foredeck that pulls interior volume forward through the hull. Twin MAN V12 diesels, standard at 1627 horsepower each, with factory options up to 1973. Top speed up to 27 knots. Cruise at 12 knots for 1,100 nautical miles on 3,434 gallons of fuel. 88 feet, 11 inches overall. Beam of 23 feet, 6 inches. Draft of 6 feet, 4 inches. That wider beam and upright foredeck combine for nearly 30% more deck space than the outgoing model. The Beach Club opens over 20 feet by 13 feet at the transom with a built-in grill and an oversized rain shower. A hydraulic water sports platform launches a jet ski, a Williams tender, and 2 SeaBobs from dedicated lockers. The Flybridge runs 25% larger than a comparable luxury yacht with an available infinity spa pool. A carbon fiber hardtop with a full-width retractable canopy shades the entire space. Below deck, 4 cabins, 4 ensuite heads, finished to Sunseeker's yacht line specification. Bottom line, the 90 Ocean pairs a flagship scale beach club with Flybridge living that outsizes its class, built for owners who measure a yacht by how close it gets them to the water. This is a new build opportunity direct from Sunseeker. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.